really expect this until he talked to Kurt on the phone in the car. So, just a bit.
Jay, huwag kayak, Jay. Huwag kayak.
But we are very thankful. As I've said in the school, we don't have any close relatives here except for my aunt. But you guys made this journey very easy for us. So we thank you so much for all your support and for everything, for just being here. Thank you guys.
Dahil yung sinabi ko dun sa school.
English para English,
Just
English.
like what I said when
Tali mo
our
kasi.
coworkers made the
Kaya yun,
baby
Tagalog.
shower for us, I said, thank you everyone. That's it.
Wow, haba.
Pareho kayo si Job.
Ginaya mo si Joms ah.
Doon po sa nagtatanong po sa mga gifts, if you open the link, meron pong Amazon wishlist sila Rachel and si Reggie. You can, yeah, tita. So we can actually forward the link, tita, just in case. But if you already gave the gifts on behalf of them, thank you so much po. For coming here, your presence, this means so much for our couple.
Wala pa po yung cards. Yung cards in
Okay, so just like any parties, we have to be flexible.